Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for H5.tv. I've been away for a couple of weeks. I think we are going to be bringing you these updates every fortnight or every 2 weeks because it looks like nothing much is happening. So let's try and space them out a little bit. These updates, otherwise we are repeating ourselves every week. Is too close. The frequency is just too short. So an update to our 15K to 600K portfolio. A portfolio we've selected from 6 ecosystems or blockchains or categories in Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos ecosystem, Avalaunch, and final basket we call mixed portfolio where anything goes. The idea is to then invest $2,500 into each of these. Some of them, they've come down a lot from our initial investments, but that's what the crypto market is all about. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and some of the projects may never come back, as you'll find out. But that's the risk you take when investing. Otherwise, if it was easy, everyone will be doing it, and there won't be any economic rent to make profits from such activities. We then manage that portfolio once fully allocated. At the moment, we are sitting at 77%, but once fully allocated, we will be looking at $15,000. At the moment, it's sitting at just under $11,500. We will top it up, especially where the markets are. We'll top up maybe with new projects, or we top up existing positions across the basket. We then manage that portfolio all the way up to $600,000. At the moment, it might seem like it will never happen, but when things start moving, guys, I can tell you from previous experience, things move at incredible speeds, and it's very easy to be left behind. That said, please take some of these numbers with a pinch of salt, because by the time the video is posted, things may have changed, the prices may have changed, and also do not take this as financial advice, because I am no financial advisor. I'm just bringing you and sharing you this information and these portfolios just for entertainment as well as educational purposes, how you pick projects and how we apply our DWA or risk evaluation on each of these projects, and how you manage your portfolio. We all do things differently. This is not for trading, this is just for investment, holding, and maybe changing things, not as frequent as some day trading or some swing traders do. This is just mostly for holding. Now, let's kick this update then with the Ethereum basket, which is made up of 3 projects, and we start with VulcanForged, this PRR token, which is priced at $1.13. Portfolio is now valued at $116.41. Week on week, we are up 5.5%. Overall, we are down 67.1%. PerpetualProtocol's PERP token is up next, and it's priced at 28.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $284.06, and week on week, we are up 18.8%. Overall, though, we are still down 33.1%. AEVO, formerly Ribbon Finance, is up next. This week it's priced at 11.1 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $123.29. Week on week, we are up 10.3%. Overall, we are down 49.5%. So that means our overall Ethereum basket is valued at $523.76, and it's up from the last update by 13.5%. Overall, though, we are still down about 50%. Moving on to the Cardano blockchain, where we hold positions in Cardano's native coin, which is ADA, and this week it's priced at 72.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $873.10. Week on week, it's up by 10%. Overall, we are up 153.9%. Next, you got World Mobile Tokens WMTX token. I know it's now a multi-chain token. It's not exclusive to Cardano, but it's still part of the Cardano basket. And this week it's priced at 17.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $353.88. Week on week, we are down 8%. Overall, we are still up 36.8%. Lenify is up next. This week it's priced at 54.7 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $660.86. Week on week, we are down 16%. Overall, we are down 0.5%. Sunday Swap Sunday token is up next, and this week is priced at 0.6%. Portfolio is now valued at $608.88, and week on week, we are down 4%. Overall, we are down 22.3%. Wing Riders is up next, and the WRT token this week is priced at 2.5 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $265.63. Week on week, we are up 12%. Overall, we are still down 44.1%. I mean, with all this, the Cardano basket seems to be holding quite well. At the moment, it's valued at $2,762.35 and is down on the previous update by 3%. Overall, it's still holding up in the green by 9.2%. Moving on to Dotsama, where we held 4 positions, but with the change, I think the bit.country Pioneer is no longer available on the data aggregators because they moved chain. I think they are now moving to Solana, but I don't know what's happening with bit.country Pioneer's near token or Mnet's position. So we are going to remove that from our updates. We'll start with Rima. This week it's priced at 9.5 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $35.64, and week on week it's up by 31.1%. Overall, it's still down 95%. Next, you got Moonbeam Network's Glimmer token. This week it's priced at 7.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $156.64, and week on week we are up 16.6%. Overall, though, we we are still down 76.7%. Finally, for Polkadot, it killed protocol and killed token, which is this week priced at 3.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $39.62, and week on week is down on last update by 0.9%. Overall, we are now sitting at 90% down in the red. So our Polkadot position, or for the basket itself, is valued at $231.90, having invested $2,112.45. So it's down by 89% overall, even though it's slightly up on the previous update by 15.1%. It's 89% down overall investment. Polkadot has been performing, the ecosystem as a whole, including the native coin, which is Polkadot, been performing poorly during this bull market. Let's move on to Cosmos ecosystem, where we got rid of our cash position, and we are going to start with EVMOS, which is this week priced at 0.3%. Portfolio is now valued at $3.82. Week on week, we are down 5.8%. Overall, we are very close to zero at minus 99.1% on EVMOS, getting closer to zero. Next, you got InjectiveProtocol ING coin. This week is priced at $10.09. Portfolio is now valued at $1,009.06. And week on week, or from the previous update, we are up 17.7%. Overall, we are still up 141.8%. Next, you got Osmosis Osmo coin, which is priced at 24.3 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $243.38. Week on week, we are down 2%. Overall, we are down 50.6%. Persistence's XPRT coin is up next. This week is priced at 7.9 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $81.72. And week on week, we are down 13.1%. Overall, we are down 65.5%. Finally, for Cosmos, it's Axelar's XL coin, which is this week priced at 34.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $356.83. And week on week, we are down on the previous update by 2.8%. Overall, we are down 14%. So our Cosmos ecosystem basket this week is valued at $1,696.82 and is up on the previous update by 7.9%. Overall, we are up 14.2% if we include the profits we took from our caching network. Let's move on to the mixed portfolio, where we hold 4 positions, and to kick us off in NEARProtocol's NEAR coin. This week is priced at $2.58. Portfolio is now valued at $145.57 and is up on the last update by 0.9%. Overall, we are down 22.4%. Pythnetwork's Pyth token is up next. This week is priced at 15.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $334.45. Week on week, or on the previous update, we are up 14.1%. Overall, we are down 60%. Beam is up next. This week is priced at 0.7 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $224.71. And week on week, we are up 5%. Overall, we are still down 59%. Shrapnel coin is up next. This week is priced at 0.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $21.06. Week on week, we are down 15.5%. Overall, we are down 94.6%. So that means our mixed portfolio this week is valued at $725.79 and is up on the previous update by 7.4%. But overall, we are down 62.2%. Finally, is the Avalaunch ecosystem or basket, and we hold 3 positions. And let's start with the native coin, which is AEVO. This week is priced at $22.61. Portfolio is now valued at $1,181.49. Week on week, we are up on last update by 21%. Overall, we are up 63.5%. LFJ's Joe token is up next, formerly Trader Joe. This week it's priced at 20.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $243.96. Week on week, or based on the previous update, we are up 26.2%. Overall, we are down 50.2%. Finally, for Avalaunch, it's Avalaunch and the Zava token. This week is priced at 26.3 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $659.74. Week on week, we are up 13.6%. Overall, we are up 36.5%. So our Avalaunch basket this week is valued at $2,085.19 and is up on the previous update by 19.1%. Overall, we are up 23.3%. So our overall 15K to 600K portfolio this time around is valued at $8,025.81 and is up on the previous update by 6.9%. Overall, we are down 30.1%. In terms of net gains, if we include the profits we took from our caching network, we are down just under $3,000 or minus 24.1%. So that is an update to our 15K to 600K portfolio, gents and ladies. And like I indicated at the top of this video, we are going to be adding to some positions or adding new assets to take us off towards our target of $15,000. There are other portfolios. When the time comes, I might share with you, but those are for other purposes. Anyway, any thoughts on what we should be adding? Let us know in the comment section. Until the next one, guys, FD465.tv back again. Reach out and we are going to be bringing you quality content on this channel, starting with our updates as well as some new projects and some updates. And don't forget our favorite segment, which is the Week in Focus. We are going to bring you some interesting projects when we perform our Week in Focus segment. Until the next time, guys, keep interacting with us in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to our channel. We still entertain the idea of growing the channel, even though it's going at a slow pace, but slow but sure, right? See you in the next one. Bye for now.